Very well, very well. So I hope you had a great day today. You had fun. Did you enjoy? Okay, fantastic. So, first of all, I take this opportunity to welcome our dignitaries on stage, Shri Sudhir Kumar. He is Vice President at Link, helping them to build satellites. And he has been Corporate Director at ISRO. I welcome Kiran Madam. She is the Principal at Orchid Arlo branch. I welcome Mr. Srikanth Komalji. He is a scientist at UR Rao Satellite Center. I welcome Shriramji. He is our partner and owner of Roboprenr Center. I welcome Ankit ji. He is senior scientist at ISRO. And last but not the least, I welcome Mr. Dhananjay Singh. The young guy who's on the stage, but don't be fooled by his appearance. He's an IITian. He's studying in IIT Bombay, and he's in 4th year. He's intern in SpaceX, and he's traveling to join SpaceX as full-time employee. So he'll be building rockets for them. So I really thank you all to raise the occasion. My heartfelt gratitude to all of you. And I really thank all the parents to join Roboprenr event. I thank all the students for your participation and your enthusiasm to make this RRL26 a huge success. RRL is created to give opportunity to children starting in schools to showcase their technical skills. All the competitions are designed to to test your technical competence. Most importantly, these events are there. They are designed to not only challenge you, but they should be full of excitement. So all these events, I'm sure you enjoy participating as well as competing in them. When you participate in this kind of competition, your knowledge level multiplies tenfold. Because whatever you learn, when you're learning things, that is at one level. But when you participate in the competition, your learning grows many folds. The reason being, you are fully focused and you have to make your project ready, and that requires some skill. So all the students who participated in this competition have a leg up. You're already ahead when it comes to be successful in life and career. But to be really successful, you have to master the game of robotics. Robotics is a superpower using which we can solve many problems of our world. Robotics is great, but to become extremely successful, here are the secrets that if you follow, you can reach great heights. Do you want to know those secrets? Okay, so you asked for it. So you have to start mastering these 6 things. Number 1, science. Because science is mother of everything. Math, because the logical ability which you require in mathematics is same you require in coding and even building logics when it comes to robotics. And third is of course, robotics. When you learn robotics, you actually get 10x results. The amount of effort which you put in learning robotics and the amount of effort which you put in learning other subjects, you actually get 10x returns on your time spent. The fourth thing is coding. Some of you may be saying, why coding? I'm not interested in software engineering. But you know what? Coding is essential. You cannot avoid it. Because coding is now the control layer of everything. Even if you don't become a software engineer, but still you have to understand and learn coding. The fifth is entrepreneurship. Because just learning technology is not enough. You have to be able to present your idea, you have to be able to commercialize it, you have to be able to bring it to life. That's what is all about entrepreneurship. Six is the English communication. As English is an international language and it's a central way of communication with everyone. So you might be thinking, this is a lot, how to master all these things, isn't it? So there are three ways to master these skills. So first of all, you must focus on fundamentals. We have seen technology changing, right? There is drastic change in the technology. Every now and then something new is coming up. How do you handle those changes in the technology? The answer is focusing on the fundamentals. If your fundamentals are strong, if you know nitty-gritties of doing things, building things, you will do very well. Second thing is learning by doing. Because concepts are not enough. Concept and hands-on have to go hand in hand. One without other is completely waste. Does it make sense? And third thing is, which is very important, you have to learn from a trusted teacher. A teacher can modify their own learning style according to you. The teacher can pay personal attention to you. Most importantly, you can ask your doubts with the teacher. So that is the third thing. You have to find a trusted teacher which can help you in this learning journey. A teacher can expedite your learning. It can give you speed, and also a teacher can give you clarity. Now these are the things which you must avoid while you're learning. First thing is, you must avoid learning from YouTube. Learning from YouTube will give you illusion of learning because you're not doing hands-on. Anything which you learn, whether it is for children or it is for grown-up, it has to be experiential, it has to be hands-on driven. So YouTube is something which you must avoid. Second thing which you must avoid, especially for students, is ChatGPT. You cannot build your projects using ChatGPT. You have to build yourself. If you are getting stuck, the best way is to find answers from the teacher. Anything which you are learning from ChatGPT, you will know Okay, how many of you think that ChatGPT is a good tool to learn? Raise your hand. Okay. So there are a few hands which have gone up. So let me answer why actually it's not. So what happens when you work with ChatGPT, you ask a doubt, hey, this is what I want to know. So what ChatGPT does? ChatGPT, let's say for example, you want to learn Python programming. You will ask how, hey, can you tell me how can I go ahead about learning Python? So it will say, there are statements, there are variables, and other things which are there. But then, the same thing you can learn from the books. Why are you learning from ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is an AI, it's a fantastic tool. But let me tell you, ChatGPT is only for experts. ChatGPT is actually not not for beginners or not for mediocres also. ChatGPT is for experts in every field. So that's how, once you become expert, then by all means, you must use ChatGPT, you must use AI tools, because you have to become faster, you have to become efficient. Third thing which you must avoid is social media. That I think almost all of you would agree. Social media is not the place for children. India has to become manufacturing hub. It cannot be heavily service-based economy. Okay, so I see there's a question. So I'll take your question, just hold on to that. So India cannot afford to be service-based economy. We have to become manufacturing hub. There is some work going on, but we are all talking about deep tech. But we need skill to build those deep tech. And that's what you all have to do. You have to learn and master and help India in becoming the manufacturing hub. So here are the 5 top most promising industries of the future. So number 1 is robotics and AI, because robotics and AI will be in pretty much every industry. So if you're mastering it, you're already in the top 5 industries of the future. The second industry is the biotechnology. Third is the infrastructure. There has to be a lot of infrastructure development which is going to happen. The fourth, which is very important, is energy. So we have to talk about solar energy, solar plants, different forms of energy which we can tap. Because whoever has energy is going to win, because AI needs energy. And the fifth thing is the aerospace. So these are top 5 industries. And I'm happy to say that at Roboprenr, we are helping children to get into all these 5 industries. So at Roboprenr, we focus on robotics, coding, artificial intelligence, aerospace, and entrepreneurship skill development. At the moment, we have 4 centers. We have one in HSR layout, in Whitefield, Yalanga, and Horemau. And we will have 6 more centers which will be opening within next 3 months. So Roboprenr is on mission to create 1 billion Robopreneurs by 2030. And I thank all my partners and parents in contributing towards this mission. Thank you so much.